Hello guys, welcome back with Regular Talent Exhibition. So today we will tell you about one of our fields, that is speech. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, do you know what speech is? So basically, speech refers to an informal or formal talk given to an audience. Giving a speech allows you to address a group of people, to express your thought, and other times your opinion. You can find speech in many different environments and with many different purposes. Did you know that speech is also one of the most popular fields in English competition? That's amazing, right? Answering a competition would have to practice, and practice. Of course, because practice makes perfect. Okay guys, I have some tips and tricks that you guys can try to improve your speech. First, know your audience. Give your presence, your personality, time, and space to work on the audience. And don't forget to make eye contact to your audience. Second, read the speech aloud. Memorizing your speech can help improve your delivery and make it sound more natural. Third, enjoy yourself. Choose a topic on something that is important to you and that you feel passionate about. Last but not least, relax, breathe, and stretch before taking the stage. Pause for a few seconds, smile, and count to 3 before your speech. Next, I have some advice during your speech because this might be helpful. First, please avoid having a low energy. You are supposed to deliver something, so keep it up, so your audience can feel it too. Next, making excuse or apology. Making an excuse or an apology sets a negative tone. And lastly, avoid talk too fast. Your purpose is not to talk, but to give impact. You have to mean every word and sentence. Speech writing tips. 1. 3 repetitive sentences. Repetition, goods, expectation, and excitement, also leaving an impression. Example, leaders need to inspire. Leaders need to influence. Leaders need to energize. 2. Contrast. Contrast can grab attention. Example, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what can do for your country. 3. Metaphor. Plants image in reader's mind which can change how they think and feel about our speech text. Example, she was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. 4. Rhyme. Example, when you have a failure, don't be insecure. So, that's it guys. How was it? So that's it for today. How is it guys? Did today RTE light fire in your heart to start preaching? I'm sure many of you have a passionate message to share, and who knows, maybe you are the next president talking in front of your country. Anyway, yeah, that was today RTE. I hope you enjoy and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Thank you.